Hello guys, if you guys are watching this video, it's no longer live. If you guys don't see the little red live square up there, I am no longer live. So go ahead and message me down below, #replay, just so I can know that you watched this video afterwards. So let's get started. Hello, happy Sunday. Well, I just wanted to jump in here really quick. Ooh, I don't know this filter. Jump in here really quick and just do a little really quick. I don't know about all these, man. Let's see. Yeah. So I just wanted to jump in here really quick and show you guys some of my new glitters that I just received. All right. So they are from Auntie Tay. I don't know if you guys can see those. This one is in the Minis Tea Party. It's a super pretty pink. I can't wait to start using this one. And then this one is Dingle Hopper. It's also really, really pretty. I like this one for like mermaid cups. I don't know what I'm going to use this one for, but I will sure be using this one for a lot of things. Okay, so another one is Pixie Dust. Okay. And I ordered quite a few. I have Raja. This is like an orange. Can't wait to start using this one for fall decorations, fall cups. Look at this. I don't know if you guys are live with me, say hi, because for some reason I can't see no messages. Nope. Okay, can't see them. So this one is Make It Blue. This is another really pretty blue. This is more like a teal blue. I don't know if you guys can see the colors, but this one's more teal, this one's more light blue. Very pretty color. And then I have Into the Woods. This is a little more of a dark blue, royal blue. This one's really pretty too. This one, let's see, I can picture this one for a LA Dodgers cup. Yeah. And then I have Let It Go. A very pretty silver. Look at this.
Mom.
Yep.
What time is it? Sorry, what time is it?
All right, excuse that. My kids always decide to jump on here too, right? So like I was saying, very pretty silver. Maricela, I know you ordered a blue and silver cup. What do you say about these two? Yeah. All right. So I ordered 2, 4, 6, 7 colors from Auntie Tay, and I am not sponsored by her. I bought all these with my own money. Okay, but Auntie Tay, you can sponsor me anytime. I love Auntie Tay. I am one of her business members. I am part of the business member plan that she has. So I do get a discount for buying all these. So if you have any questions, you can always message me, and I can give you her details, or just go to auntietay.com. But as I said, I am not sponsored by her. I am just enjoying all these colors that I bought with my own money from her. Okay. So these are all my glitters that I have recently bought from Auntie Tay. So those are that, but I also wanted to show you guys a little haul from Hobby Lobby. New project coming in too. So I bought some leather. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see, this one is, nope, it doesn't say names. This is like a silver black leather. Okay, so that's one. Then I bought this beautiful, it's like a rose gold. Oh my god, I love this one. And then this is more like a teal black, mermaidish. So those are 2 of the leathers that I bought, or 3, I'm sorry. Oh, excuse me, I feel like I have it here. The loose leathers that I bought. And then I bought 3 of these packets, these rolls. The fall leather, I got it in this like brown color. As I said, I'm excited for all these colors because fall is coming pretty soon. A dark gray and then like a shimmer gray. Same thing, lots of new projects coming in with the leathers. Just a sneak peek would be some earrings, some leather earrings. Stay tuned for those because it will be coming out pretty soon. And then of course, I know Halloween is around the corner, and like I said, I'm excited for it. I bought this neon green. I don't know if it has like, I don't know, extra, yeah, neon green, that's what it's called. And then this emerald mix. It's really pretty, it's like a gold green. Those 2 are awesome. I really like this one, it's like so bright. And then of course I went through their little clearance section, and all the 4th of July is, I think, 60% off. That's how much I got it. So I got these 2 glitters. He has blue, well, let's start this way. Red, a white, a blue, and then he has blue, white, and red, white, and blue. I can't even tell my colors. Stars. That one's pretty cute. And then on this one, I have white stars. The blue stars are mixed with red glitter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks so pretty. Then of course the red, the white, and the white is mixed with some bluish. And then the red stars. So these are pretty good colors. So just stay tuned for some other cute projects with these. So that was my Hobby Lobby haul, and I'm excited, like I said, for this leather. All right, let's see here. So those are 2 of that, and then of course green glitter, heat transfer vinyl, a navy blue, and then some transfer tape. And this is my Amazon haul. Not a lot, but, and another thing that I have been doing, little orders, not a lot, but soon I'll probably be doing a big order, and it's for wedding invitations. I'm super excited to show a little more of my paper crafting. So I'll be doing some wedding invitations, and this is one of the tools that is very needed, the scoring tool. I do have a Cricut machine, that's my cutter, and I don't have the scoring tool for the Cricut. I have the Nikapa. So I ordered a new one just so I could have a backup, but it's kind of like a stylus. It's freaking awesome, guys. So those are 4 things that I ordered from Amazon that are getting used today, for the most part. So one more thing. Oh, good thing I remembered. So I don't know if you guys have seen my post, but I did post that for the whole month of July I am having the tank top sale. It's a racer back tank top. This is the female one. See, that's the back. That's the front. The material is awesome. It's a little bit of stretchy, or I guess it's a little, well, it's a little stretchy, not a lot. It is, I can say, fitted. It has curves, and I have them for the month of July at $10 each tank top. Guys, the summer's here. We all use tank tops. So come on guys, message me your orders. And they are $10 each just for the month of July. Remember, the more you order, the bigger discount you can get. So just go ahead and message me with any design you want. I'll put it in my laptop and see what I can do. All right? So if you have any questions, new orders, go ahead and message me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi, Talia.